everyone. Team gather round. Let's talk about a story that is refreshing as a classic Coke. The tale of two colas and the power of listening. We all know the legend Coca-Cola, a titan in the industry, decided to change their recipe, enter new Coke, a supposed upgrade, but the market, our customers, they weren't having it. New Coke fizzled faster than a flat soda. It was a monumental flop, but there has the twist that turns the story into a motivational masterpiece. Coca-Cola didn't bury their heads in the sand. They listened. They heard the roar of disapproval from their loyal fans. They understood that change, for change's sake, isn't always progress. Sometimes the greatest innovation is honoring what works. Fast forward and Coca-Cola brings back the original recipe. They called it Classic Coke, a name that echoed the message loud and clear. We listened and guess what? It was a black blockbuster comeback. A testament to the fact that sometimes the most powerful move is to course correct, to adapt to listen to the very people who made you successful. This, my friends, is a lesson for all of us. We can't be afraid of change, but we can't be deaf to feedback either. Innovation is crucial, but so is respect for what got us here. Let's embrace calculated risks, but never lose sight of what our audience, our customers truly value. So the next time we face a challenge, a potential change, let's remember the story of Coke. Let's listen with the open ears, adapt with courage, and never underestimate the power of classic. Together, we can turn any setback into a refreshing success story. Now, who is thirsty for a win? Let's get to work. Thank you very much. Follow for more.